Dictionary 2.0. With our release 1.3, the dictionary becomes dictionaries. This means that from now on, you can structure vocabulary in different dictionaries. And adding new words has also become significantly easier. Let's start with the new structure. Under the menu item Vocabulary, you will find all existing dictionaries. Note, all vocabularies added so far have been transferred to the General folder with Release 1.3. All previously defined information, such as the language, was also transferred. A small hint. Until now, vocabulary could only be created in English, German, or French. With the Release 1.3, we have added many new languages. You also have the possibility to add vocabularies to all languages. This is especially useful for proper names. Under Vocabulary, you can now also create additional dictionaries. Click on the Create button. Give your dictionary a name. To add new vocabulary to your dictionary, you have two options. 1. You click into the desired dictionary and select Create New. In this variant, you can add words individually, define the language, define the dictionary, and add up to 10 spoken forms. 2. The second variant is suitable if you want to add a larger amount of words. To import your vocabulary as a bulk import, click on the Import button. Now you will get a hint where you can read the import requirements. When importing words, you should keep the following points in mind. Your import file should be one of the following formats: XLS, XLX, or CSV. Your file should always contain 3 columns with the respective headings: word, spoken form, and language. In the word column, write the desired spelling of the word. In the column spoken form, you can enter up to 10 spoken forms. Please separate the words with a semicolon. If you do not specify a spoken form, the system will automatically adopt the spelling from the word column as the spoken form. For the language field, please use the abbreviations from the ISO coding list, or the abbreviation ALL for all languages. You can also find more information about bulk upload in our FAQs. After you have uploaded your document, select the desired dictionary or create a new one. The desired words have been added to your dictionary. If words already exist, you have the option to skip these words during the upload. Let's go to the use of dictionaries in the upload. From now on, when uploading files, you can choose which dictionaries to include. Right. You have the choice to use one dictionary, several, or even none at all when uploading. It is important to note that only dictionaries that match the language of the upload or dictionaries that have been added to the new category, all languages, will be considered. Let's move on to the most frequently asked questions regarding vocabularies and dictionaries. Can a vocabulary be created for several languages? A vocabulary can be created either for a specific language or for all languages. This makes sense for proper names, for example. In the bulk upload, you use the abbreviation ALL for this. If you want to create a vocabulary for several but not all languages, you have to create the vocabulary for each language separately. What is the difference between a written and a spoken form? A vocabulary has exactly one written form. This is the written form that should be set automatically in the transcript when one of the up to 10 stored spoken forms for this vocabulary is said in the audio or video track. A short example for better understanding: written form, Noki; spoken forms, Nyoki, Noki, Nochi, Nochi. However, adding a spoken form is not mandatory, but it increases the probability that the word will be recognized correctly. What vocabularies can I create? You can create up to 1,000 vocabularies per language. How do vocabularies work in GoSpeech? Vocabularies can be used to increase the probability that a spoken word will be assigned the desired individual spelling. This is especially useful for specialized vocabulary, proper names and words with different spellings. Created vocabularies have one written and up to 10 spoken forms. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit our FAQ page or write to us at support@gospeech.com.